Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to write italic in MS Word. So in the first method, highlight the text you want to change, for example, United States, and then press Ctrl plus I on your keyboard to make it italic, and press the same shortcut again to turn it off, like this one. If you prefer using your mouse, you can use the main toolbar at the top of the word. For this, you need to highlight the text you want to make it italic. Go to the home and click this I type icon and it will turn into italic. There is a quick font menu. For this, you need to highlight the text you want to change. A semi transparent formatting menu will pop up right above your cursor, and click the slanted icon on the mini menu. This will turn into the italicized. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can write italic in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.